So today I'm going to show you how to do the Sunlender in San Antonio with the adder. So again, very similar to what we were doing before. Don't forget that the adder in San Antonio will, or the EPC price in San Antonio will always equal $5. So that creates us a problem because in San Antonio we can't raise the EPC or the price per watt past $4. It always has to remain at $4. This number right here has to be 4. But what we can do is we can add an adder to the total cost, clicking this manual cost button in order to equal it out. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is I'm going to change this to Sunlender. You're going to notice that our payments are going to vary by like $50 here. So my goal is to get this up to $5 without changing it. Well, there is a pretty simple math equation that we can do there, and we listed it here on the Sunlender EPC and adder pricing under in San Antonio. In fact, I'm going to change that right now to just San Antonio. Boom. You witnessed it. So the equation is the EPC equals the total system cost divided by the total system size times 1,000. So it's total system size times 1,000 first. Then you take the total system cost and you divide it by that number. So in this example, I'll set this up for you. We're going to do the total system cost right now is $37.40. So $37.40 divided by 7685. Divided by 7685. What a wonder, it equals 4, which is what it's showing here. So we're going to get that up to 5. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to try and overshoot it. So I'm going to add $8,000. I'm going to say that this is going to be $38,740. So I'll take $38,740 and divide that again by that system size times 1,000, which is 7685. And we're at 504, so I did overshoot it. So I'm going to drop this down to, let's try 3,800 even. We're going to 30,040, which means that I did like a $7,300 adder. So I'm going to go 38,040 divided by 7685, and we're at 494. Oh no, I just overshot it. So let's do this back to 440. 38,440 divided by 7685, and we're right there. So I'm going to note that my total cost is now 38,440. So it is 38,440, and then I've got to do the math for how much the adder was. So originally 37.40. So because I don't like to do math, I'm going to take 38,440 and I'm going to subtract from it 37.40. 37.40. The adder is 7,700. Put that back into the manual cost. And then when I upload the proposal, I'm going to note and say in a Gemini right here, I'm going to say that my adder is $7,700. You see that there? Perfect. Now remember, do not forget that in San Antonio, you need to take the CPS cost before you add the adder. If you have any questions, let me know. This is how we do an adder, getting the price per watt up to $5 in San Antonio.